Next time when you are biting a burger, think about the Hinsberg reaction. Obviously, there is no correlation, just some similarity in the name burger and Hinsberg. But think of, because of that, you will be able to remember, recall the reaction. Actually, what is this reaction? This reaction is a very clever reaction which is distinguishing between primary, secondary, and tertiary amines. We know simply that primary amines means there is nitrogen is connected with one carbon. It may be any group carbon. Secondary, two carbons connected to the nitrogen of amine, and in tertiary, three. So in primary amine there are two hydrogens, secondary one, tertiary no hydrogen, only lone pair. So what he thinks clearly is very cleverly is that what if I use some compound like sulfonyl chloride, benzene sulfonyl chloride, and allow that to react with amines. A simple reaction will take place and one of the hydrogen will be replaced by this benzene sulfonyl part like this, and byproduct will be HCl. So formation is sulfonamide. There is a formation of sulfonamide. So what we have to see is that when primary amine react, there is sulfonamide formation. Secondary react, again sulfonamide product is formed. But in case of the tertiary, no reaction is observed. Why it is so? Because these to react, it required replaceable hydrogen. In primary there are two, in secondary there is one, in tertiary no, so no reaction happens. So chemically it can be distinguished. But in the taste, how we can see? Very simple. Primary amine, when react, it will form sulfonamide. If you see primary amine sulfonamide, it is having again one hydrogen, and it is acidic because the bond is polar. It means that when we will add this solid substance in a alkali solution, it will abstract this hydrogen, it will form a salt, and it will be solubilized. So primary, the product sulfonamide, when added alkali solution, it will be soluble. In case of secondary sulfonamide, if you see secondary, there is no acidic hydrogen, so no reaction, so insoluble in alkali. Tertiary, there is no reaction, there is no formation of sulfonamide, and we can understand whether the compound is primary, secondary, or tertiary amine. This is the interesting